This is ESol Information and Communication. ESol Information and Communication, established in 2000, is a long-established company that has been around for 22 years this year, and is one of the first companies to register an electronic board with the Public Procurement Service. We are a company that manufactures and sells various educational equipment such as electronic boards, digital podiums, and lecture recording systems. The power button of this product is located at the bottom center. If the red light on the button is on, the power is off, and when you click the button, the white light turns on and turns on the power. Conversely, if you press and hold the button, a window will pop up indicating that it will be finished after 10 seconds, and it will be finished after counting. If you press the button briefly, it enters standby mode. In this case, the power is not turned off, so if you touch anywhere, it will turn on again. Therefore, if possible, we recommend that you press and hold the button to shut down the product. The product you are looking at is an 86-inch electronic board. Unlike the previous electronic board, it is possible to use the electronic board without a PC. The reason is that the Android OS is built in. Now let's look at the products and explain them one by one. Basic applications are installed so that you can use the internet web surfing to various documents. The screen you see now is the writing software installed in Android. All menus are located at the bottom. I will explain the functions in order. The function of writing allows you to freely change the texture, size, and color of the pen. In addition, there is a convenience function that allows you to freely select two colors according to the thickness of the pen. You can erase the board using the function of erasing. But you can also use the board eraser provided in the school or your palm. If you click the Delete All button, all the writings will be deleted. The autocomplete function improves the quality of your lessons. You can use the ruler and protractor function. If you click the figure icon, you can use from 2D figures to 3D stereoscopic figures using points, lines, and planes. You can also create a simple table. Notepad allows you to leave important notes in the upper right corner. You can freely use the preview button to resize the created writing. It can be used flexibly, unlike a general board that has to be erased and rewritten every time. If you use the grid function, you can write English letters neatly. It is possible to undo the contents of the previous writing. And you can add a new board differently from the preview function by using the Add button. The added board can also be moved freely. And you can see all the added boards by clicking the page number. When you finish writing, it asks if you want to save. If you want to save the writing, you can save it. You can choose to save images, PDFs, etc., and there are additional functions such as sending by email or creating a QR code. If you want to draw or write something special, you can use the palette program, which allows you to mix various textures and colors in a different way from the previous edition program. If you bring various documents to the USB and plug them into the board, you can load the files on the electronic board itself. If you want to take notes while taking a class with the loaded file, you can write through the quick menu on the left and right. You can use various functions such as writing, drawing, web surfing, watching videos, and loading various files with only the electronic board without a PC. This is the end of the description of the Android function, the electronic board OS.